Ski boots can make or break your day on the mountain. Nothing ruins a trip faster than crushed toes or cold feet. I know the struggle, so I picked up the top 5 boots, from resort comfort cruisers to true backcountry leather explorers, to see which ones actually fit well and perform. I've tested them out so you don't have to guess. Product number 1, K2 BFC 80 Men's Ski Boots. First, I tried the K2 BFC 80. BFC stands for Built for Comfort, and the second I slid my foot in, I got it. It feels more like a heavy-duty slipper than a plastic torture device. The shell is surprisingly roomy, especially around the toes. I took these for a few laps on groomed runs, and the 80 Flex is soft and forgiving. It doesn't punish you if you make a mistake. The hands-free entry is real. I didn't have to wrestle them on in the parking lot like I do with stiff race boots. They are warm, easy to walk in, and just generally hassle-free. If you mostly stick to the resort and prioritize comfort over aggressive speed, this is the pair that will keep you on the hill all day without complaining. Product number 2, Rossignol Evo 70. If the K2S were comfy, the Rossignol Evo 70 takes it a step further for guys with wide feet. When I handled the shell, I noticed how light it was. The sensor matrix design basically cuts out extra plastic to save weight. Sliding my foot in, that 100 form width felt massive in a good way. My toes weren't squished at all. On the snow, they offer a very relaxed ride. You aren't going to win a World Cup race in these, but the energy transfer is decent for cruising. The instep padding is soft, so you don't get that biting pain on top of your foot. If you have wide feet and usually hate wearing ski boots, these are the ones to buy to finally stop the pain. Product number 3, Rox Idea Up Adjustable Ski Boots. Now, if you're taking the family, I looked at the Rox Idea Up for kids. This is genius. When I played with the adjustment mechanism, I realized you can actually expand the boot size from 16 to 18.5 Mondo. That means you don't have to buy new boots every single winter as their feet grow. I loved that the sole length stays the same, so you don't have to pay a shop to remount bindings every time you adjust the size. It uses a single buckle, so getting a kid strapped in takes about 10 seconds. They are warm, simple, and functional. If you are a parent tired of buying new gear every season, these are absolute money savers that work perfectly for learning. Product number 4, Fisher Women's XC Pro. Switching gears to the flat trails, I grabbed the Fisher Women's XC Pro. This is a Nordic boot, not a downhill one. Holding it, it feels like a sturdy hiking boot. The fleece lining inside is super soft. When I put them on, my feet felt instantly warm, which is huge for cross-country skiing where you aren't always moving fast. The Fisher Fresh Tech is a nice touch. Basically, they don't smell like a locker room after a few uses. The sole has good flex for the kick and glide motion, and the lace cover keeps snow out of your laces. If you're a woman looking to explore snowy trails for fitness and want to keep your toes toasty, this is your best bet. Product number 5, Alpina Sports Alaska 75. Finally, for the true backcountry explorers, I tested the Alpina Sports Alaska 75. This is the real deal. It's a full-grain leather boot made for 75 M3 pin bindings. When I picked this up, the leather felt incredibly thick and durable, like boots used to be made. Breaking them in takes a minute, but once they form to your foot, the fit is unbeatable. I trudged through deep powder with these, and the waterproof membrane combined with Thinsulate insulation kept me completely dry. The Vibram sole gives you actual grip if you have to take your skis off and hike over rocks. If you are doing serious off-trail touring and want a boot that will last 20 years, this is the one. So whether you're cruising the resort, teaching the kids, or hiking deep into the backcountry, one of these boots will fit the bill. I've put links to all of them in the description so you can check the sizing and current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the slopes.